Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, batter fried bananas. And Knock is going to start with a little bit of water. She'll add a couple of spoonfuls of salt, dissolve into the water, which she's basically going to use to clean these bananas. This is a banana that's mostly used for cooking. We call it Cuadrado in Spanish, a square banana, because of its slightly square shape. And this is the way you peel bananas generally that are for cooking. Unless they're really, really ripe, you can't peel them the same way you would a commercial banana that's sweet for eating raw. So she'll peel all her bananas and run them through the salt water. Now she's going to rinse off the salt water and drain the bananas a little bit and get ready to slice them, cut them up into pieces, probably about 2 or 3 millimeters. First she cuts it in half. And while the banana slices are drying a bit, she'll prepare her batter, which she uses a mixed flour that already comes here with a little bit of salt, starch, and sodium bicarbonate mixed into it. Make them crunchier. So she'll add water little by little until she gets the texture of the batter that she desires. And in today's recipe, she's using both white and black sesame seed, a couple of tablespoons of each, which she'll mix into her batter. And of course, she's coated well all of the banana slices. And now she's got her oil very hot to start with. She'll turn down the heat once she gets them all in there, so they'll continue to brown up and cook all the way through without getting burnt. So you can see how nicely brown they're getting, and as she's removing them, you can drain a little of the excess oil, get them on a plate. Use your favorite sauce. Today, Nok has made a sauce that's spicy, sweet, and sour using passion fruit.
So delicious. Sweet, spicy, and smear from maracuya sauce. It's very delicious. Bon appetit!